Hey everyone, Miss GoElectric here in Plano, Texas. This is a really exciting day because I'm the master of ceremonies for the grand opening of SK Signet's first U.S. manufacturing facility, where they're going to be building their next generation fast charging equipment. These can actually output up to 400 kilowatts, but it's about showtime, so I gotta get inside. SK Signet isn't quite a household name in America, so let me give you a little background while you have a look at the factory ahead of the grand opening. SK Group is one of the world's largest companies and is South Korea's second largest conglomerate with over 100,000 employees and nearly $140 billion worth of revenue in 2022. Many of its companies are energy related, including SK On, which is currently building billions of dollars worth of EV battery factories in the United States. SK Signet is the United States' leading manufacturer of public DC fast charging hardware for electric cars, which use the CCS connector. They were the first in America to offer a UL certified 350 kilowatt fast charger. I've been fortunate enough to be among the first media members inside technical facilities at Electrify America, ChargePoint, and Webasto, but this is the first time I've visited a U.S. manufacturing facility for DC quick charging hardware. This site previously produced military hardware by Raytheon and now is ready to help usher in technology which will enable EV adoption. SK Signet says the factory will be capable of producing 10,000 DC fast chargers per year, along with supporting hardware cabinets. Let's get back to the grand opening. Media, clients, partners, and stakeholders filled the halls. There were some group tours, and everyone had a chance to check out Signet's historic global lineup of products. The next generation V2 fast chargers are capable of 400 kilowatt output and are the first produced in the USA to hit that mark. These are the power cabinets which distribute electricity from the grid to the dispensers. Usually these are kept out of sight at charging locations, but they are crucial. These are the version 2 400 kilowatt dispensers. Factory workers are honing their expertise, learning how to carefully and quickly assemble the units. At first, the equipment will be built from imported sub-assemblies. As production ramps up, a full-scale manufacturing line will be located at the center of the building. The building will also house research and support departments. Before long, guests took their seats and it was showtime.
Please welcome to the stage our host for today's program, Miss GoElectric.
Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, state and local representatives, welcome to the grand opening celebration of SK Signet's state-of-the-art manufacturing facility here in Plano, Texas. We're here today to witness the remarkable expansion of SK Signet as they seek to improve the EV infrastructure and accelerate EV adoption rates in the United States, while also creating well-paying American jobs. It's truly an honor to be here with all of you today for the opening of SK Signet's first U.S. manufacturing facility for the production of ultra-fast EV chargers. This facility represents a significant milestone for SK Signet, and we're privileged to have with us today.
After speeches by the CEO and the mayor of Plano, other company and government officials offered their congratulations and spoke about the impact this factory will have.
All right, we are witnessing a groundbreaking moment in the world of electric vehicles. Right here at this very facility, we're about to unveil the first ever American-made 400 kilowatt high-speed EV charger. Joining me for this historic moment are two remarkable individuals who helped make this possible. First is SK Signet of America's President SJO and the Mayor of Plano, John Muntz. SJ and Mayor Muntz, what does this mean for Plano?
This is a game changer. So I'm thrilled that I get to at least plug in the charger and watch how fast these vehicles get charged.
We will be charging 2 vehicles on one charger during this demonstration because no electric vehicle can currently utilize the full power output of this SK Signet charger. Now, if I could ask SJ to plug in the connector to commence the charging process. Can we get a drum roll, please? Ready, SJ? 1, 2, 3. Oh, I heard the click. That is music to my ears. Great. Now, although we're using just one charger at the moment, behind the scenes, a NEVI-compliant 600 kilowatt power cabinet is at work, and it is capable of accommodating 2 chargers like we have here. With this combination, all being built right here in Plano, we can charge up to 4 cars simultaneously, right? All right, let's look over at the screen here. We are pulling 226 kilowatts from the EV6 and 147, which is about the peak rate. It looks like we're hitting just about 400 kilowatts right here, which is the top output. I'm also noticing a couple differences between the model that we have here and the predecessor that we see over there. The first being this top marquee.
The hat makes a charger taller, which allows people to locate it better. And we wanted to display words on the charger to communicate the availability of the charger. The other thing we focus on is a larger screen because it gives us better visibility, providing instructions for the driver. One last major improvement we made was in regards to the cable management. It's more flexible and 5 feet longer than the previous product, providing a maximum of up to 22 feet in length.
So when you have a big truck like an F-150 that Mayor Munns has here, you can park without being concerned where the charging port is located, right?
That's right. And I've seen a lot of trucks in Texas.
No doubt.
Some light rain had moved in, and a group of us hurried outside for an official ribbon cutting.
It's been a wonderful event here today. I'm really excited to see SK Signet's new generation of their fast charging equipment across the United States. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, drive, fly, ride. Go electric.